The bird. He kind of likes the London system, like, and Taurus systems as white, so I guess he might want to go for something like that. Should I go like d3, e4? Let's do that. Okay, so he doesn't allow it. Let's play the Leningrad setup then. I had this in Title Tuesday like a couple of weeks ago. Or that guy didn't go d4, which is, I think, clearly the only critical move. Otherwise, white gets e4 and is perfectly content with that. And this is a line that's considered very dubious when you play it with one tempo less. With this tempo, extra tempo for playing white, I'm assuming it's quite playable. How's knight f6? e3, knight d5. I guess I should go. ef6 is quite logical here. Yeah, this is normal, but now I think I have a reasonable position to do this. Bishop e3. Should I go here? Well, I can. I think I might as well. Maybe I should trade, actually. Am I just way overthinking this? Let's go 94. I guess I'm objectively very slightly worse here, but it's nothing special. It's quite a normal Leningrad Dutch position with an extra tempo. Or actually with a knight traded. Don't know if that favors white or black here. Fine, 95. Then knight queen e2 maybe? Yeah, let's do that. Maybe I'm asking like a little bit too much of my position. Yeah, I probably am. Yeah, it's a good move. Let's go here. That was a bad move. Maybe not terrible. I was worried about knight e4 takes in queen a4, but I got b3 and c4 maybe. Knight d5 is very logical. I think this is quite reasonable for me. Maybe I should go to g5. Yeah, this is a good solid move. Should Should we go d4? I mean, regardless, it's just quite equal, but... At least there are some scenarios now where I have the better bishop. I don't quite know what those are, but... I think there are those. Rook h8, there's always just h4, so that's not dangerous at all. I think he should not have allowed this. Just make sure no shenanigans happen on the h-file. Maybe this is actually more dangerous than I thought. Yeah, it's probably just a draw. It's got some very slight issues though. Yeah. Not really. Yeah, it's a dead draw. Okay.